right. It's a beautiful thing. The longer LK5 Pro. Nice and quiet. Printing me out about a 70%er there for the ASDR pin, and yeah, it should be pretty worthy. You can see all the structure it's building. That's right where the riffles will be. Of course, it's being built at an angle, like I do all of them, so you can get a bigger pan. Anyway, yeah, the longer's cooking, man, and quiet, and it's pretty straight. I don't like the build plate very well. It's a little bit wavy. I might have to replace it. Luckily, they're only about 15-20 bucks. Or I can flip it. I might flip it first. Or, you know, it's printing. You know, it just isn't perfect as I'd like to see it. But anyway, one by one, baby. Peace.